Zishan Kasser, roll number 11. Now I am discuss here the remaining sketches of our app design. So this is the our screen which is related to booking ride. When a user come and click on the book ride now button, so this screen will appear to him. Now he will search where he want to go. After searching here, he can press next button. So the next screen is this one. As in mentioned, he has selected our university as University of Sargodha. So here he will display the all riders around him. Now he will select one of them, and after confirming the rides, he will go to next. After when he reach to his destination, then we take a feedback about our driver, our captain. Then user give feedback here in this screen. So this is the sidebar, and in the sidebar there are some functionalities like you can display notifications related to their cancelling rides, etc. And there is also an option for helping, like he can ask any kind of help here related questions. And next one is the settings related to his account. So this screen is related to the help, as here mentioned help. There are two type of helps can be given to the users, which are quick helps and then other related helps. Here the questions are mentioned which user mostly face, so he can check about related helps in these questions. So this is the settings of user accounts. Here user displays names and related informations, and also check the app versions and which language, and also give the feedback to our Play Store. This screen is related to the user account details, like how many balance he has on, and many other options like he can add new balance. Vouchers, here we have mentioned vouchers. He can get vouchers like discounts in his booking ride, and also he can share his earnings amounts, like balance. He has a balance, and he can share with other friends and families. And this one is the history screen. He can also check the history of his related bookings, like when he has traveled to this place, and when he how much price etc.